Hi, I'm Kenny from DStudio, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create some tasks in a 4D virtual builder and link them to SketchUp entities. I will start with creating a fictional model which consists of just 5 blocks in SketchUp. Those 5 blocks will be groups. Let me copy them 5 times. Okay. Now these 5 blocks I will link to some 4D virtual builder tasks. Those tasks are made in the Gantt chart window. Let me open that up for you. Okay. Right above in this Gantt window we have a ribbon with tasks and milestones. Well, let me just create, well, let's say 6 tasks. 6 tasks just by pushing that button. Let me say I have 1 overview task and 5 tasks that are actually child tasks. Let me indent those so that I have 1 overview task with 5 child tasks. Those tasks have some information like a title. Let me change this one to overview. Okay, and push enter. A start date, an end date, a task type, and the amount of linked SketchUp entities. I will just enlarge my window a little bit so I can see more. Let me start with changing some dates. I will leave this date that way, okay, and I will say just by double clicking on it, and then you can click on this little icon and a date picker will show up in which you can select the end date. We say this task will be starting at the 27th of June till the 4th of July. This task will start the 28th of June till the 5th of July. This one the 29th of June till the 6th of July, and so on. Oops. So this will be the 13th till the 7th, and the 1st till the 8th. Okay. Oh, I see I have made a little mistake here. It's August. It must be July, the 8th of July. Okay. Now I will start linking those tasks to SketchUp entities. I will just place this window here. And I will select my first SketchUp entity. I will select my first task. I push in the ribbon on SketchUp and I say link. Now you will see that the amount of linked entities will be 1. I will do this the same way for all the other tasks. Say link. Well, that doesn't update quite direct. You must do in Hoover to update. Well, that's just something we will fix in our next version, etc., etc. Now all these tasks are linked to those SketchUp entities. You can see which tasks are linked to a SketchUp entity by clicking on, for instance, select. When pushing select, all SketchUp entities that are linked to this task will be added to the SketchUp selection. If I would press select only those SketchUp entities linked to this task will be selected in SketchUp. So as you can see, this one isn't selected anymore. I could do the same for select only on this task. As for the selection, we also have the same functionality for the visibility. If I would say show only this entity will show. If I push hide, only this entity will hide. Okay, I think you get the picture. We also have two more buttons that say sync. Now, when syncing and selecting a task, automatically it will select that entities and only show those entities. This also works in two ways. If I just push on that button, it shows all SketchUp entities in the model, whether they're linked or not. Okay. As I mentioned, syncing also works in the other direction. If I select a SketchUp entity, automatically the task to which this entity is linked will be selected in the Gantt chart. As you can see, okay, I have to disable this sync, otherwise also the visibility will be synced. As you can see, automatically when I change my selection in SketchUp, it will also select that task in the Gantt chart. Well, actually that's it for linking SketchUp entities to tasks. More of the functionalities like task types I will show in the next tutorial.